Kuliah kita ngoi bilang.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for
Padang beruan behel ta.
Enak nak kau.
Bulat yo ya di sini apa tu?
the great contingent of East and West Khasi Hills, DEF Mairang led by Shri Murthy Suchang, MPS, DSP and Sub-Inspector PN Sangma of Mairang Police Station for the Independence Day celebration of 2026. Starting off, Meghalaya Police East and West Khasi Hills DEF Mairang, Platoon Commander ADSI P. Sangya. All in synchronization, St. Thomas High Secondary School NCC, Bandrai Lang Shabong, Platoon Commander, Lakat Bearer, Dapin Lindo Maulong, Flag Bearer, May Valerie Marbanyang. Saluting to the chief guest, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides, MTSG, East and West Khasi Hills District, Tangmeva I Board Hava Platoon Commander, Dapin Lindo Maulong, Plakat Bearer, Tida Likman Hujon Plakat Bearer, and Suman Bhapalyong Flag Bearer. Starting off with the school, approaching the dais, Mairang Presbyterian Science High Secondary Section David 4, L-Maunai Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer, Boris K. Maulong, and Dami Wanpanha L-Maulong Flag Bearer. Approaching the dais in unison are Tatsautra College High Secondary Section, Pawan Lang L-Maunai Platoon Commander, Rishailan L-Nombre Plakat Bearer, and Daniel Silver Purba Flag Bearer. The boys of Langtor High Secondary School, Machakang Karwani Platoon Commander, Gilbert Star Purba Plakat Bearer, and Kenneth Das Tosham Flag Bearer. Girls representing Manai High Secondary School, Dasan Gordor Wadri Platoon Commander, Sni Varisha Wadri Plakat Bearer, Sai Bandri Wadri Flag Bearer.
Anh nên Olif không cuột standard này. Tại đây Olif.
Yeah.
Tiki Olif.
Olif style is so nice.
Following closely are Mairang Presbyterian English Secondary School students, Abanchas M.L. Maulong Platoon Commander, Abiliana Lindo Plakat Bearer, and Yaines Kemjik Mutwalang Flag Bearer. Students of St. Thomas High Secondary School, Mairang, Parade Contingent, Alban Shan L. Maunai, Platoon Commander, Amy Rackle L. Maunai, Plakat Bearer, Yu Diana L. Maunai, Flag Bearer. Also for the NCC Plakat Bearer was Dapin Lindo Maulong. Approaching the dais are the students of Little Star High Secondary School, Alban Chan L. Maunai, Platoon Commander, Amy Rackle L. Maunai, Plakat Bearer, and Yu Diana L. Maunai, Flag Bearer.
มันได้สกาย
with
ปิด
full
กันหน่อย
pride and instinct, girls of Little Star High Secondary School in Sapanha, Pasangan, Platoon Commander, Bechwa Nogrum Plakat Bearer, and Nasa Batmans in the Flag Bearer.
Belum dah lain aku dia. Kalau speed dah tu dia. Hadiah.
Kinshi High Secondary School, Malbury Lindo, Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer, Nafisha Kajana Plakat, and one guy, Lanang Roy Maroon Flag Bearer.
Ibun kelas 2 saya ada.
St. Dominic High Secondary School before the dais, Yadashisha Karmani, Platoon Commander, Yadaman Lang Kasuntiyo Plakat Bearer, and Sintai Vaskem Kasuntiyo Flag Bearer. Jidor Singh Memorial Secondary School, Maunai, Lee Pallakun, Nang Panjanai Marbanyang, Sairu Babel Kakiang as the flag bearer. Before them were the St. Hasi Secondary School, Johnny Bert Nombet, Platoon Commander, Yominia Rani Plakat Bearer, and Flag Bearer Pinkian Langsun. Olive Academy Mairang, Platoon Commander Mairang Pansuk Wadri, Plakat Bearer Hami Bansao Elnong Lai, Flag Bearer Dashan Chua Nong Sid. Saluting to our chief guests, Bajanta Secondary School, Balatangkai El Maunai Platoon Commander, Graceful Pathaw Plakat Bearer, and Balmi Ratakyang Flag Bearer. All in sync and in full pride, Mairang Presbyterian High Secondary School, Platoon Commander Golgari Randakyang, Plakat Bearer Indari Sukujon, and Flag Bearer Taili Sian Longput. Students of Mairang Vidyajyoti Inclusive Secondary School, now Panis Camp Malanyam Platoon Commander, Pankam Marvanyam Plakat Bearer, and Vinil Madon Kajana Flag Bearer. Mairang Presbyterian Academy Secondary School, T3 El Maunai Platoon Commander, Lakyas Sabha Plakat Bearer, and Tilmarang Kaltrang Flag Bearer.
Siap, siap.
All in synchronization, Mission Mairang Secondary School, Platoon Commander Kirdashisha Walang, Plakat Bearer, Isa Panhun El Molong, and Fantikul Karmolong, Flag Bearer. The final school saluting to our chief guest, Pindang Umyong High Secondary School students, Dawan Pansok Karmuti Platoon Commander, Plakat Bearer Grateful Lavinyang, Shambor Langparyong Flag Bearer. I request the dignitaries to stay in their place for the national song and national anthem before they go to the dais.